example dhari di pan za dola ta pan di ba jin ja ge ha plate dugal khapna he hepchi ma to
ngachi the order ma to ko extra rice le
jumla chi sabe
ngachi the order ma to ko extra rice le bonus
guys to ben salon di bewachin I want baby so changes to on the ring get no chat to no hello guys welcome back to my YouTube channel like third day third year ki first semester ki first assembly so today is Thursday so assembly attend do joto so tingi to ko change assembly na kachiru doga new changes hello guys after a very long time back to the college canteen ane bezado paksha chicken tenga di beochi new haircut kauna e sadoi da second share huh miza anu ali no rice acho extra rice
kudi ngachi the order ma to ko extra rice le
jumla chi sabe
ngachi the order ma to ko extra rice le bonus
line de devi da
A few moments later.
Finish guys extra rice on gas ki bung diste batu ya acho ane do extra rice ya quando si dà giunge order
guys night ko to chicken zagila mi benda dira ma sha zama to gila bla mi sha garda right chicken zai this such an unbelievable person
extra do it and that
order he some time goisa da to yadro bachi game she na ashi wachi na bemo kuka ai kuka zobe nandu ji ashi mai ko la ditam na lokle tinge ah che ma ho mai
क्यों यार my birthday
happy birthday
hello guys Tatu Ben we have attended program with our honorable vice chancellor of RUB
vice chancellor of RUB
what
question dila chimna question ganya ma
so question was ante
conversation dir chami khoi
it was just a normal casual conversation with him so I need to So the main exhibit.
My truth is my dream vegetarian.
Yes, that was such a good day. I'm sure so classroom window. So now we'll be going to our hostels. Hostel. Yeah, jodo the disperse tours room. Jodo. No man. Cut the genial junior. It's too much below. Check which knocks beneath in the way.
What should I ask question? Simple.
Successfully ended the program. So that's the Bewachin, Queensang Danga. We are going to our room na judo. After the Kashlo, Vice Chancellor audience they want. So attending that, we are going to our room. So Chardiso, room na everything ituka.
Clock tower din.
Clock tower.
The iconic clock tower.
Yes.
Natang taas.
One and only here at Kedu. Clock tower bina zoom in Kedu. Tatam chicks ni tumi ni machine degi. Kedu ki chuse gari. Zundo. Kedu chuse gari. Chuse gaslo, chuse gari, chuse gorlo. Zundo. Jodo. Jana di bawachin hachi Kedu. Labin mantis tab sogi. Insang sa clean beno. Shen nai bawachin. We should clean.
Hachi beyond the move first year
Ani sim.
Hachi
Anti sogi clean beno.
Hachi first plastic to an zuiba demo. Hachi class and was handsome raga home.
Ani nga sogi to ga.
Puro andi labjimo. Damchi yela.
Me tiki
demo.
Adam change class le handsome raga home.
Long three. Hello, mo watch class le handsome ragado. Qu'est-ce qu'on vient de dire? Viking watch class le handsome ragado. Wrong di. Chimomo watch class le handsome ragado. Riz doji. Watch class le bus handsome ragado. Nga.
Zamdo. Andi bewachin hachi semi choka semki di bewachin hachi. Melam prayer hall inkene bewachin. Zamdo. That's all. The room na everything. Yeah guys, that have been room na hichi. Kola de ane chasebe. Na. Ane kola chasha me. Zamdo. Yeah guys, that have been we are going indoor. Because in the semester tournament has started. No done. Now bye. So nice to be watching once again indoor judo. Because in semester tournament has started. Class ki boom se futsal match and men nature be judo room nale. That's a room tour. Te masuk. Now I think me guys now started to go. That to be ngachi achu surin. Cha to junlo me handsome chizo be ngachi de futsal ta juni. That to ane do. Kedu go to ben. Ane judo guys. Futsal match ta judo. As planned earlier, room na din today, but mo at the class ki match me mo. First kanchi town no juni, town no jo bide. Te achare chare to handsome zo mo. Te leading achi indoor juni guys indoor. 인도어 쪽에 땡기면 또 가. 패션스로. 야, guys. 다음에 같이 first town 해치 town. 같이 넣어 놔. बनाउने 같이. अनि town 해치. अनि बेपछि salon, Leon, salon do. Chancellor. Cari to me dosi. Nole. Maya koranga bari beauty. Maya koranga bari beauty. Guys, to ben salon di beochin. My own baby. So changes to on the ring get no chat on it no. That quite chatting like those good. Hello guys. Yeah, charming my base. Hair massage base over. Yeah, guys. Massage base no no. No, stomach tension no. What you do? No, because Shop chapchi, kaslauchin achude. Achude, kajun lauchin, ko chapsa esunu. Minya sitamashi be. Ya to win moment jado. Indoor he ramai. Chato chave. The moment party moment is jado. Back with cool boy. Cool boy, let me go. Cool boy.
What are they? Don't come here.
Vamos a do like so. अब the MK. MK की real me क्यों है? Monkey. सुनिए आने जो दे मोहम्मद क्या
कुछ हम बहुत धरी थी 5,000 $. तो 5 दिन बाद जाके गए अपने दुगल खापना हे हेप्ची मातो
आने दो after momo so digestion की दिन लो you are having doma pan special pan के दो आज हम दो आंटी दुकान नाम जी क्या हो
बर्बाद
हैन दोकानको नाम भनिदिनु त आन्टी बिना छोकाङ लो आज 5,000 दु मेया
नो पान
हाँ मुसम्बे हाँ गाँव में हाँ सो हाँ मुगाँव हाँ गाइस इंडोर है चिमे इंडोर आने के सब दिनों इंसान है आने जो तो तो द इंडोर की जब कल ही नचो सुबह बास्केटबॉल मैच हॉट जो दे में गाइस हॉट गाइस तब तो बेन इंडोर नाने दीजिए कुछ दाव जो तो चल स्पोर्ट अंजुम दो या बैडमिंटन दो आने दो क्लास की गुंजारम जिसके
진짜 오니까 제 진짜 오니까
ओए ओए बीएमसी ए जोगी ओए कम नियर बेगो में आनी के जाओ तुम्हें कैसा आनी है दौड़ के जाओ BMC go या congratulations कल धरो गाते कुछ मेसी यार congratulations तुम दो congratulations nice play अंजुम तुम्हें मची अच्छा
나 보쌈 찌다지 고준이를 비매 이매 뭐라
हमसे छे ये पूछल अनोई
हाय कोकी पटीले तो छेड़ा gracias चौकी
बेबी से ओए 안에도 so tato ben indona jui mesha tai na room na jodo me guys ta room na jodo achini tachi momo zai phoya dai mo room na jobe ta dina zone ngai tani na so macapsa azumdo ane room na jodo guys ta di room na jo dinner di machine da ngadi phoda inte mo azumdo the full moon zumber do me guys. As you all can see, match is not ended, but boring do and then oh chodo da ulta azum from the my guys am ani still na jo de ani tumare tarum nahi betting to question still yeah charu once again welcome back in my room. The room nahi guys. Indoor na game reta mo. The room nahi. So last but not the least, thank you for watching. This vlog will be till here. So see you in next vlog. So till then, take care and thank you for watching. And please do like, subscribe and support Mila. So this bye bye and see you in next vlog.